Hello class 3 children, this is your class 3 GK book. So we will start this GK book, and in this lesson we will see some of the famous people names. So in this chapter we will try to know who the famous people are and why they are famous in the world. So here in the first figure, as you can see, he is famous all over the world. Do you know why? Because he is a founder of the Microsoft world. Microsoft company that we are using in a computer. So that company are set up by this famous person. And what is the name of this famous person? He is a Bill Gates. He is an American businessman, and name is a Bill Gates. So let me write the spelling of the Bill Gates. You also write in your copy. Bill Gates, B-I-L-L, Bill, G-A-T-E-S, Bill Gates. He is famous for a Microsoft company. He is a American businessman. Second figure, can you identify the name of this person? He is a African American to be elected as a US president. He was a president of America. He was a first African American. So what is the name of this person? This person name is Barack Obama. So let me write the name of the person. B-A-R-A-C-K, Barack Obama, O-B-A-M-A, Obama. So let's we continue. Let me see the third person. Who is she? She is a Pakistani activist for a girl's education and the youngest Nobel Prize winner. She was fought for the girls' education. She is a Pakistani activist. So what is the name of this girl? She is a Malala Yousafzai. Let me write the spelling. Malala, M-A-L-A-L-A, Malala Yousaf, Y-O-U-S-A-F-Z-A-I, Yousafzai. She is one of the youngest Nobel Prize winner. In the fourth figure, do you know who is she? Yes, correct. She is a Mother Teresa. Do you know, children, she was a Roman Catholic and missionaries who devoted all her life to the poor and needy people. So who is she? She is a Mother Teresa. Let me write the spelling. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, Mother Teresa, T-E-R-E-S-A, Mother Teresa. So here in a book some famous people's name are given. I just show you some more are. So just you wait. I just show you some more people's name. They all are famous all over the world because of her contribution, and they are like Dhirubhai Ambani, like Azim Premji. He's a Dhirubhai Ambani. He was a Dhirubhai Ambani. He was a founder of the Reliance industry, and he's a Azim Premji. He was a founder of the Wipro company. And here you can see he is a TV Sundaram Iyengar. He was a founder of the TVS Motor Company. And here we can see Jamanlal Bajaj company, Bajaj bike, scooter, lots of vehicles are on the road. So he was a founder of the Bajaj company. What's the name? Name is a Jamanlal Bajaj. And here you can see G.T. Birla. He was a founder of the Birla company. Birla, nowadays so many companies and industries are that was founded by the Birla. Our BIT, that was also founded by the G.D. Birla. And here is a Brij Mohan Lal Munjal Hero Cycle. Do you know the Hero Cycle? Na? He was a founder of the Hero Cycle. So here these people are world famous. They are world famous because of their work. So we should also do some work. That's why we will be famous all over the world. So children, do the work hard so that one day you will be on the book as a famous people, magazine, book, everywhere. So do the study well. And let's move on our next chapter, that is a flag of the world. So first question is, what is a flag? Flag is any flag, that means a national flag is a flag that symbolize a country. That means after seeing a flag we can identify the country name. That means this flag is very important in our life. So let me find out the flag name and the country. So here in a figure you can see this triangular figure. Here it is in the triangular in a shape. Most of the flag that is in a rectangular shape, but this figure is only, it is in the rectangular. Two triangles are there. So do you know children which country it's belong? It's belong to the Nepal. Where it's belong? It's belong to the Nepal. So write it here, B. It's a belong to a Nepal. The flag of this country has two triangles. It is the only flag that is not rectangular in a shape. In a second figure, the flag which has a lion clutching a sword. You can see this lion clutching a sword. So can you identify which country it's belong? This flag is belong to the which country? It is belong to the Sri Lanka. Which country is belong? It's belong to the Sri Lanka. Understood children? So let's move on our third. In a third figure you can see the flag has a 4 small stars. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 stars and a large gold star and a red background. So do you know which country flag it is? It is belong to the China. China, China. Next our figure, here you can see maple leaf flag. Very unique flag with a leaf. So which country flag it's belong? It's belong to the Canada. Write a spelling Canada, Canada. Next you can give the answer. Which country it's belong? Yes, you are right. It's belong to our India. It's a Indian flag. So write it here. How we can identify this is a India flag? Because in our Indian flag, here at the top of the flag, saffron color, in the middle it is a white color, and at the bottom we know that it's a green color, and one wheels is there. That means it's a India flag. It's belong to the India. In a sixth figure you can see the flag that has a 13 stripes and 50 star. That is sometimes referred to as a star and a stripes. Do you know which country flag it's? It is from the USA, United States of America. And next here the flag is properly called the Union Jack. So this which country it's belong? It's belong to the which country it's belong? It's belong to the USA. Here in it is belong to the UK. What is the full form of UK? UK means U means United, 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 and K means Kingdom. Some country they gave their short name. So you should know the full name of this country. UK, that means United Kingdom, and USA means United States of America. What is the name of United? S for state and A for America. Understood, children? So let me see the 8th figure. The flag which has an eagle with a snack. Here one eagle and with a snack. Which country it belong? So this is a Mexico. Mexico. This flag is belong to the Mexico country. So let's we know once again. Here, which country it belong, children? This flag is belong to the Nepal. Here, a lion clutching a sword. That means this flag is belong to the Sri Lanka. And with a 4 small star and a 1 big star with a red background, which country it belong? It's belong to our neighboring country, China. And here, maple leaf flag. Which country it's belong? It's belong to the Canada. And here, yes, you are correct, it's our India flag. And this flag, 13 stripe with a 50 stars, it's a USA. And what is the full form of USA? It's a United States of America. And then next, this flag is belong to the UK. UK means United Kingdom. And here with a eagle and a snack, this flag is belong to the Mexico. So children, here we have covered the flag's name, and previously we have covered the famous person name. So you just try to draw this figure, draw this flag in your GK copy, and write the name of the country. Understood, children? This is your homework. Learn these both chapter for a coming test. Thank you, children. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you, children.